Okay, everybody, here's the 58 Metro. It's finally done. It's October 2019. It's on the road, literally on the road. So we're gonna air it up, fire it up, and go for a spin. Let's go. Well, that's a big step. Anyway, so that's the 58 Metro. It's done. It's not for sale. I'm sorry. Not yet, but keep your eyes on it. The other thing is, check out my new project. It's a 49 Pontiac Silver Streak. It's going to be deadly. Check it out. Don't forget, subscribe and like my videos. Check me out on Facebook. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.